Hey, my name is Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the mesh outdoor mat. This thing is great for placing outdoors right by a table to sit at. We have this right outside, right by the pool, where we have our table and chairs so we can have a meal and put this mat down to help have some nice decor and to also keep things clean. It does a really great job of catching any dirt that's on here, and it's really easy to just brush right off. We keep this outside all year round, and we've had this for about a year. It's a large size, so we can keep a nice large table here with no issues. I hope you take a look at it. I have a larger dog that has large nails, and he has not torn up any areas of the mesh netting, so it does do a really good job at staying durable and holding up pretty well. I hope you take a look at it. I know that I've enjoyed it.